When you're building your websites, the content on your website can be displayed in terms of few different formats. It can be in text, images, video, or even it can be displayed as a table format. Hey guys, this is Zavi in DNC. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can actually create a table format for your content on WordPress websites. So if you're building the contents on your website, you will have like images, content write-ups and things like that, right? And sometimes especially when you are doing products descriptions, you will be having tables contents right there. Okay, so that you'll be actually tabulate all your contents nicely and presented to your customers, right? So how you actually able to create a contents of a table contents on the website itself. So this is the plugins that I would like to introduce to you. You need to come here and come to your WordPress website under the plugin area and click on the add new plugins, and this is the one that I would like to introduce to all of you guys called TablePress. So it allows you very easily for you to create a table content from there, yeah? So this is the one that you are looking at over right here. There's actually a lot in the markets, right? But the one that I would like to recommend to you, this is the one, okay? TablePress. You can just go ahead, click on install now and activate, yeah? And activates. Now, right after you activate it, you will be able to see on the left-hand side this TablePress, yeah? So just click under that. And what we're going to do is that we're going to just create a new table, okay? Create a new table from here. And this is what you can do. You can actually add or import, yeah? But this is the first time that we are having it. So we're going to just add a new table. And you're going to give yourself a table a name, right? So if let's say I'm going to do it for my products description table, I'm just going to give a table, products, maybe product A, product B, product C, doesn't matter. This photo is to a reference, your own reference to refer that. So, this table, this is the content related to a particular page or particular content itself. So regardless, yeah? Okay, so you can just give a names, a description is optional as well. And depending on how many rows that you want to create and how many columns, yeah? So let's say I'm going to just do a 3 columns, 3 column table and 5 rows, yeah? So this is how it goes. Column, it goes on to horizontal like this, and rows, it go vertically like this, yeah? So I'm going to just add a table. Right after I do the settings, you'll be able to see that this table ID right there, and this short code, it will be the one that we're going to insert to the website. So up to you, the table ID. If you want to do something that is relevant to your table name, you can do that as well. Okay, you can do that as well. You can just see that right after you click on the right hand side, any empty places, this short code will be able to reflect to the ID that you key in, right? So then after that, this is the place. If you see that, 3 columns and 5 rows, yeah? So what I can do is that I can just put it as the first column itself. It could be my title. So I'll be just putting it as like, yeah? Name, okay? Then I will just go into like color. Then I will just go into like remarks. Anything, yeah, you understand what I'm saying? So I'm going to put in my name. This is Zavin, and I have another one. Let's say it's Sally. I have John, maybe, and I have Peter, maybe. Okay, Zavin like red color. I'll just put red. Okay, whatever context that you want, lah, white, black, blue. Okay, remarks. I don't know. Okay, maybe I put a size lah, size over right here. Okay, so let's say size, I don't know, S, M, L, XL. Okay, so then after that, you're just going to come here and you're going to just click on save changes. Okay, just click on save changes, and what you're going to have is that you'll be able to see that this shortcode is over right here, and this is the one that you're going to copy and paste to your page or post that you would like to display. For example, let's say, yeah, I'm going to go under all my pages, and let's say I would like to put it into my product C page. Okay, so I'm going to click on edit. Let's say you are using an editor like this, okay? If let's say you are using an editor like mine, right? This is what you're going to do, right? You're going to click under this add block, okay? And you're going to search for something called shortcode. Okay, shortcode, yeah? Click under the shortcode, and this is the moment that you're going to copy and paste the codings over right here inside. And I'm just going to do a preview, and let's see how the table looks like, right? So you can see that from here, straightforward, yeah? Very fast, very nicely done up. The name, the color, and then the size. So it depends on how many columns that you want, and also at the same time, the information that you input into your tables, yeah? Now, some of you guys might be using a different editor. Okay, you might not be looking at using the latest versions of WordPress, but some of you guys will be using, let's say, the classic editor, and this is exactly how you're going to do that for your classic editor. Okay, same thing as well, same concept as well. If you're using a classic editor or your WordPress editor looks like mine, right? So this is what you're going to do. Yep. So you can see that there's a visual tab and there's also a text tab, right? So you can just click under the text tab, and what you're going to do is you're going to just paste the shortcodes right there. Same thing, you're going to just do preview. And I'm going to refresh my page and see whether or not the tables. Yeah, exactly, right? My table will just display from that. So regardless which editor that you're using WordPress editor, you're using Elementor, you're using the classic editor, you're using a later version editor. The main thing is that you need to ensure that you paste this shortcode to the page that you want the table to appear, and that's exactly how you'll be able to create a very fast table content for your WordPress website. So, what you can do is that leave your comment down or below my videos, and let me know that if you are successfully created your table content from that.
Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button, and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.